بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
The reason why I'm a week earlier is that there was a program arranged for me to visit France, and I landed in Paris this last Friday, I landed in Paris. And the immigration department in Paris, seeing my valid visa, they stamped my passport, Charles de Gaulle Airport. But after stamping the passport, the man is looking at my face, whether I'm the same person on the passport. And he sees this hat of mine, and they see my beard. And immediately, bells began to ring in his head, that I look like a terrorist. Maybe I've got grenades and guns with which I want to invade France. So he typed my name on the computer, and the computer gave a red light to say, this man is dangerous. What makes me dangerous? Man of 75, towards the end of his life, and I'm a dangerous person for France. The reason why they had me in the danger list is a menace. They gave me a form to tell me that I'm a menace, a danger to France, is because of my books. I had translated these books of mine, like this one here, in English, what the Bible says about Muhammad. Same thing we wrote in French, we translated it. C'est qui la Bible dit Muhammad, whatever it means in French. It means the same, what the Bible says about Muhammad. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the natural successor to Christ. Same thing translated into French. Muhammad, the natural successor to Christ. Al-Quran, the miracle of miracles. Same thing translated into French. And all my books translated into French. What do we do with French books? So we send it to France. People had given us addresses of certain Muslims in France. So all the addresses we had, everybody, we send them a package from South Africa. French. And when this literature arrived there in France, there's so many parcels for Muslim, because they're all Muslim names. Similarly, something dangerous, something going on. Maybe the Muslims are planning an overthrow of the French government. So they said, no, we can't allow this book, let's read them. So they read these books and they said, no, this is a dangerous book for Christianity, this is going to change people. So this book was banned. All the books of mine are banned. With me also goes my name. Ahmad Deidat is also banned. He is a dangerous man. So a nuclear power, a nation which has got the atom bomb, got terrified with these books. They give the freedom to Salman Rushdie. His satanic verses are translated into French. That is jais, halal. But Ahmad Deidat books are haram. So somehow we managed it to go back to London, to the Saudi embassy. We got the visas to come to. And today is a national day. And in celebration of that national day, we had advertised in the Arab newspapers that we are giving our literature free. And I don't know, I think you were not here when we were giving the books free on the second floor. We gave them hundreds of them we gave out to the people free. So my mission is to inform the Muslims about the Christian trying to get into us. He is trying to preach Christianity to us. Very hard, very hard. If he gave you this Bible, translated in Arabic, Kitab al-Muqaddas, the Holy Bible, Kitab al-Muqaddas. If he wants to present this to you in this form, you say, no, I'm not interested. You are not likely to take it. I have the Quran, alhamdulillah, I don't want the Bible. So they find other ways and means of getting through to you. What are the ways? They give you in this form here. Look at this. What does it say? It says desert storm. Desert storm. With the stamp of the American Army, Navy, Air Force. Stamps. See the stamps? Back, Army, Navy, Air Force. The camouflage uniform of the American soldier. And this is given bakshish to people. Hadiyah, hadiyah, hadiyah. They gave out over 250,000 in Kuwait, in Bahrain, in Abu Dhabi, Dubai. And everybody is happy to receive it free. About desert storm. You think it's the history of what happened in the Gulf. About Saddam Hussein, his invasion of Kuwait. About the American soldier, 500,000, getting into the middle of the desert between Saudi Arabia and Iraq, in the middle, 500,000, without losing a single soldier by gunfire. They didn't lose a single soldier by gunfire. Then how they managed to get Saddam out of Kuwait, and how they counteracted the Scud missile of Saddam with the anti-Patriot missile. Won't you like to read about all that? Free of charge. So you take it. So shukran, jazakallah. You take it home and you open the book. Here's the Bible, Kitab al-Muqaddas. So they caught you. See, this is the method that they're using to get through to us. Anyhow, somehow making you to read this Bible. So I am here to explain to people how to defend yourself against these Christian missionaries. Look at these beautiful, we call them in Urdu tughras, frames. Beautiful calligraphy. Looks like the Quran. Looks like the Quran. Yes. And if you give this to the Sudanese, and the Bangladeshi, and the Pakistani, and the Nigerian, and the Ghanaian, and the Falahins of Egypt, free. It's a bakshish. Free bakshish. What he will say? Thank you very much. Shukran, shukran, shukran. And he will put it in his house. Did you know that this is the Bible? This is a Christian Bible. But they put it in such a form that to us it looks like Quran. This calligraphy is Quranic. It is the only Muslim art. This art is Muslim. This art of writing like this, calligraphy, is Muslim. So the Muslim sees this as man. Say, Abbana, you think it's Rabbana, Atina, fid dunya, hasanatan, wa fil akhirati hasanatan, wa qina azaban nar. That's what you think. But no. This has got nothing to do with Rabbana Atina. This is Abbana. In English, say, O our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will. This is all written in Arabic. Beautifully done. Catching Muslims to kiss this and take it home and put it on the wall. This is how hard they are working. And the Muslim is relaxed. He's okay. He's going to go to Jannah, inshallah. He's got nothing to worry about. But the Christian is stealing our children. In Pakistan, in Bangladesh, in Indonesia, in Africa, everywhere the Christian missionary is working. So Allah is telling us, warning us in the Quran, He says, وَلَن تَرْضَى أَنْكَ الْيَهُودُ وَلَن نَصَارَى حَتَّى تَتَّبِعَ مِلَّتَهُم. That the Jews and the Christians will never be satisfied with you, O Muslims, unless you follow their brand of religion. Unless you become a Christian or a Jew, the Jew and the Christian will never be satisfied with you. So either you, if you want peace, there's no peace for you, Muslims. No peace. Unless you become a Christian or you change him to become a Muslim. It's one of the two. Either you become a Christian or you make him into a Muslim. And Allah tells us that He's given us a deen. لِيُزْهِرَهُ عَلَى الدِّينِ كُلِّهِ. A deen that is to master, overcome and supersede them all, bulldoze them all, whether it be Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, Christianism, communism, every ism, Islam is destined to master them all. Allah says, وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْمُشْرِكُونَ. No man, how the mushrik might not like it. This is the destiny of his deen. And he repeats the same formula. Another place in the Quran, in Surah Fatah. He said, هُوَ الَّذِي أَرْسَلَ رَسُولَهُ بِالْهُدَى. He it is who has sent his messenger with guidance, وَدِينِ الْحَقِّ, and with the religion of truth, لِيُظْهِرَهُ عَلَى الدِّينِ كُلِّهِ, that it may prevail, overcome and supersede every other deen, every other way of life. وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ شَهِيدًا. And enough is Allah is a witness to this fact that He is going to make His deen to prevail with you or without you. It's a privilege Allah has given you and me, all Muslims, that you can do a prophet's job and earn a prophet's reward if you will take it. It's an opportunity Allah has given us. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.